All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Thanks so much for subscribing to this channel. Our prayer has been that the good Lord will continue to support you all in all your endeavors as you keep supporting this channel. And we say very big amen to that, my people. Well, this is another one reaching us. Well, Oduduwa Nation no going back and exactly what the people are talking about. All right, my people, with the news reaching us right now, the traditionalists in Ondo State have now come out in their numbers, and then this time around, this set of people hey, have been of the opinion that nothing will make the Fulani to attack their people anymore. That this one is happening after the Ondo War Catholic Church attack in Ondo State, and they know where a lot of people lost their lives, where the Fulani, according to the news reaching us, where the Fulani attacked the people and then killed a lot of people in that church. This happened like 2 Sundays ago, and then this time around, the traditionalists, as you can see them at the Ondo State roundabout, and this set of people, they are pained in their hearts. They have said that no way this shouldn't continue. And then they've called out themselves that my brother, my sister, like this, we are not supposed to be a coward. We need to wake up. And then a majority of people have actually applauded this set of people for the job they are doing, and then they have rained curses and then prayed also against the Fulanis. And if you watch very well, you see this set of people have been praying that nothing of such should happen to their people. In fact, it should happen in that state, those states anymore. And now they are now praying, and they are, how will I put it, they are consecrating the land, that no Fulani will have a place in that state anymore. Because what actually happened these 2 Sundays ago, it was not a good thing at all, because these people no they are of the opinion that as far as this country is concerned, if we do not, like, if the people do not come out to take care of themselves, if you say you want to keep waiting for the federal government to do that for you, then you are on your own. And then exactly what is going on in the country. No wonder the Yoruba nation agitators are still of the opinion that no going back on the movement. And then we have all seen it, that this set of people are actually on the right path, because they have seen it that these people keep deceiving them. They will tell you, don't worry, the federal government will take care of the situation. And the worst scenario had been that each time all this happen, the only thing you hear is the federal government, the president will say they condemn the attack. At the end of the day, people will don't die. And I think I like the stand of these people. I like the way they have come out to defend their land, and they are protecting their land with a lot of prayers. And according to what this man is saying, he said, in fact, he even called out the names of the Fulani attackers, and they even called out the Igbo people, that even if na Igbo people won't come attack them. I'm so shocked to even hear that. Say whether na Igbo people or any other tribe, we won't come attack them. Say they no go succeed. Say instead na die, then go see that, or no lala, according to what he's saying. Well, no, my people, a lot of things are actually happening in this country. I will not deceive you. As far as this country is concerned, Nigeria, majority of people are fed up. No wonder majority of people are still like, if it is not Yoruba nation, then they should forget it. Though a lot of youth are not coming out, and they're like, alternatively, in case these people, because Nigeria as a country on its own, it's like it's not even ready to let go these people. The the Yoruba Nation agitators, on their own part, have been preaching that we want to go our separate ways. Well, with what we are seeing on ground, for even the Fulani to be saying that they have caged the Yoruba people, that they know they go anywhere, forget waiting, then they talk. They know they go anywhere. We don't cage them. And meanwhile, the leader of the movement, I was talking about the Ìlànà Omooduà, Professor Banji Akintoye on his own side, have raised the alarm that either they like it or not, God is bigger than them. For now, we don't actually know what step the Yoruba Nation agitator leader and the rest of them are actually taking concerning this, because the Fulani have declared that there's going to be war, either they like it or not. That all those ones that they are saying that they want to go their way, forget it, say they make mouth, simply because the Fulani people, don't cage the Yoruba people. You can imagine all sorts of things. And then right now, these people are like, we have to go our separate ways. That even come this 2023 election, we all of them, they shout, Tinubu, they shout, he won't become the president. Say, him just they deceive himself, because Yoruba must go. And then, you will not blame this set of people simply because nothing is actually working. And then I think that's just the reason why the youth right now, you can see they are campaigning for Labour Party. They are campaigning for Peter Obi right now, because they are saying that the so-called PDP have disappointed them. APC don't disappoint them. I beg, Mo will try another person. In fact, Peter Obi now like youth. He's in his early 50, I think so, yes. And right now, majority of the youth are campaigning all over. No, I was so surprised, so shocked to see the likes of Baba on stage shouting Peter Obi's name. Likes of Kiss Daniel, the guy that sang Buga. Himself was there, Macaroni, a lot of all the comedians, Brain Jota, the rest of them. They are like, no, as far as this thing is concerned, that Peter Obi will they vote for. That is to tell you that, hey, while I go there, because even the PDP, talking about the PDP flag bearer Atiku, this guy don't say nothing, say him must dead there. He has tried so many times that he must win. Tinubu is on his own side, is not sleeping. And now the youth are now campaigning for Peter Obi. That don't forget, Peter Obi na him we want. And a lot of people are still like, like this. So we don't want any APC people because they don't disappoint us. We can no longer continue to suffer. My brother will not lie to you, the kind of legacy this APC regime has actually given to the people is nothing to write home about. You cannot even travel out of this country and tell people you are from Nigeria. They'll be like monitoring your movement, that these people, they are dangerous. And it's not the fault of the people, if not for the problem we have coming from the leaders, bad government, so to say. That's exactly what is happening. I was listening to a guy from Ghana. He's a Nigerian. He was like, God forbid, if he come back to Nigeria, that country. And I think that's what the youth are trying to change. They're trying to change the narrative right now. That the kind of legacy these our so-called leaders are put against the people, that they have to erase it. They want to change the narration, and then that's exactly what is going on. And then with this, the what do they call these people? The Onisheshi in Ondo State, as you can see, this set of people are like this, we want to go against the Fulani people on our own. We no fit wait for the government. That's why you can see this set of people at Ondo roundabout, simply because of what actually happened. That these people will not have any cause to glorify themselves in Ondo land. It's a pity that all this are actually happening in this country. I will not lie to you, my brother. Everyone is tired. Now only God will help us. Well, Oduduwa Nation are going back, and exactly what the people are still talking about. All right, my people, this is what it is right now. Onto this one. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, and Remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.